Good morning everyone. My name is Hirosh, a student of MCA of the department at Transport Engineering College, Bhubaneswar. Today I am going to give a short teaching on the topic of topology from the module 1 of compound network. So before going to start, firstly we will know what is topology. Kind of the compound system which is connected to each other by using a communication medium or a channel is called topology. This means in which form that our computer systems are connected to each other by using communication medium or channel is called topology. And this form of connection can have different forms. If it is connected in the form of circle or a rectangle, it will form different topology. And if it is connected in a straight cable or a long cable, then it will form a different topology. And if it is connected to a central device, then it will form a different topology. So obviously the topology has been divided into different parts. So there is the parts of types of topology. First one is the box topology, second is ring topology, third is the star topology, the fourth one is the mesh topology, fifth is the hybrid topology, and the last one is the tree topology. Those are just standing advantages. So let me discuss one by one. First one is the box topology. In box topology, now there is actually single communication channel. And all the devices are connected to this cable. Here you can see in the structure that there is one long cable which acts as a single communication channel or medium, to which all the devices are connected. At any place you see that there is many systems or nodes that are connected to a single communication channel or a single cable and forming a network, and that type of network is called as a box topology. Then the advantages are it's easy to add or remove the nodes from the network. In a network, we can add a new system or a new node in this system, and also can remove. And it requires only one cable, so it's less expensive and we can maintain it easily also. Then its disadvantages are if the cable is failed, then the entire network will be failed. It means if that one long cable which acts as a communication channel or a single communication channel, if that goes down or failed, then the entire network will be failed. But if there is only one system is not working or failed, then the entire system will not be failed. Then the second one is the messages are broadcast here. When we click on the we can receive the data at the same time. Then the second one is the ring topology. It is called ring topology because it forms a ring. Here you can see the structure that there is four systems which forming like a connected in a circle. So this type of topology or a network is called ring topology. In this topology, each node is connected strongly with its adjacent node. It means its connected system one is connected to the system 2 and 4 only, not to the system 3 directly. It's connected indirectly because it's not connected directly. It's only forming a strong network with its adjacent or neighbor node. Then it advantages it forms a strong network. As it strongly connected with the adjacent or the neighbor node, so it forms a strong network. And the second one is the transmission rate of data is very good. As it is forming a strong network, so we can send the data very quickly. Then the data sent to the ring topology will be broadcast. Here also if you are sending something, then the data will go to the all device in the same time. Then its disadvantages are it's very difficult task to add some new nodes. As it forming a strong network or a strong system, so we can add a new node or a new system in this topology. If you want to add a new node or a new system, then firstly you have to bought the cable between two systems. Then you can add the new system in this topology. It will be very difficult task. Then the second one is if we want to send data from a source to the destination of this, then data will unnecessarily pass to all nodes. Here is broadcast messages, so you sending the data from a system to another, then it will go to the all the devices or all the systems that are connected to it. Then single point of failure, that means if the node goes down, then the entire network will be goes down. If there is a system like system 1 is not working, I am sending the data from the system 4 and the command is to send the data in the clockwise direction. Then the data will not pass because the system 1 is not working, they are not failed. Then the other the stack topology. In stack topology, all the nodes are connected with a central device called hub. The hub stands for hub stands for hardware unit base. Here you can see the structure that there is a central device named as hub, and to this all the systems are connected. Then if you want to get the data from a system, then that will be possible through the central device or hub. Then its advantages, it broadcasts the message. Instead of also sending the message there, it will also send the data to the all devices which is connected to it. And it is less expensive due to less cable usage, and it's easy to connect remote without affecting the rate of network. But unlike the rate topology, it could not affect if you removing a node or adding a new node, then it will not affect the entire network. Then its disadvantages are in stack topology, you won't require a network devices like hub, switch, routers. It means if there is no central device or there is no hub, then it will not be able to send the data from its source to the destination. And if you don't want to share the data set, it is only possible through the hub. As I say in the definition, that it needs a central device or hub to send a message from source to the destination. Okay, we can share any private data. As it broadcasts the message, so we can share any private messages. In this topology, each and every computer is directly associated or connected to each other. So we can directly share the data to the destination machine from a source without going to the intermediate machine. Even if you sending the data from the system 1 to the system 4, it will directly go to the data from system 1 to the system 4, not to the system 2 and system 3, unlike the RECBhubaneswar topology. Then its advantages are directly associated with another node, so it provides the point-to-point connection. Then the multiple device can send or receive data simultaneously. In the MOS topology, we can send the data in only unidirectional, like one way. If you are sending the data, then you can receive the data in the same way. Or in this topology, you can send the data or receive the data in the same time from the multiple devices. Then its disadvantages are it's very difficult to add a new node because each and every computer directly connected with another computer. Here you also can add a new node or remove the node because it's always wrong network also. Then if a particular machine is not working, then we can share or receive data from the failure machine. As that system 1 is not working, then we can send or receive data from that system 1 or failure machine. Then the failure topology. There you can see in the question that there is a one non-documented which showing that there is for a MOS topology, and there is another one which is central device to which all the systems are connected with forming a star topology. And in the last one there is some systems which is connected and forming a ring. It means it's a ring topology. It's nothing like it's a combination of MOS, star and ring topology. Then its advantages are it broadcasts the messages to each device which are connected to the cable. As we did in the MOS topology, the messages are broadcast. So if you are sending a data from the system 1 to system 2, then data will honestly go to all the systems in the same time in the logic. And it's simple to connect and maintain the network. Then its disadvantages are broadcasting reduces privacy. It means here you also broadcast the message, so you can share any private messages here. And the design is very complex. As it is a combination of error topology. In this topology, all the nodes are connected like a branches of tree. And there is this star topology and one longer is used and looking like a branches of tree. And the combination of also star topology is called tree topology. Then these are advantages are broadcast the messages if you send the data, then it will go to all the devices in the same net. Then it's easy to add or remove the node in this network. Then there is a one non-public easy. So we can add a new node or remove the node easily without affecting to the entire network. Then its disadvantages are the large cable phase, then the entire network will be very less. You know that in the MOS topology we use a long cable. So forming a communication channel which is actually also communication media. That in that long cable phase, then the entire network will be very. And the messages are broadcast, so we can share any private messages here also. Each and every topology that is own facility use covers messages, and based on the size scalability and the required reliability. So to design a effective optical network, it's essential to understand this type of topologies efficiently. So thank you for attention.